To log on to WebHub, go to https://my.wdpdesign.com. Once the page loads, enter your username and password. This is the username and password that you set when you got an invitation to join the WebHub dashboard. The WebHub dashboard is divided into sections. The Service tab allows sending of change requests. Also, you can load the website visually and mark changes you wish me to make. You can also upload files for the website here. The My Data tab shows your business contact data. This data is also used to display contact details on the website where appropriate. The Emails tab is only relevant if you're using the built-in email service. If you are, it shows your email accounts. Here you can change your passwords, open the webmail, or even create new email addresses for you to use. The Domains tab shows domains connected to your WebHub account, and this is used to display your website to visitors. Please do not change any of the details on this tab. The File Manager is where you can upload and manage files and folders that are used on the website. Form entries show a list of all form entries by visitors to your website. This is a copy of what was emailed to you. You should review this on a regular basis. You can keep these as a reference or delete them if you no longer require them. The Statistics tab shows activity on the website from visitors. The Edit Website tab allows you to start editing your website. Clicking on the button will load the content management system. From there, you'll be able to make changes to the content of your website.